Hi guys, my name is Cynthia Dimdis and today I am going to be doing some flat iron curls. So if you guys want to see how I got these curls, keep watching. I am going to just quickly show you guys how I blow it out. This is the way I do my blow dry. That's the fast way for me. I'm going to be using Eva NYC's blow dryer. This is the Healthy Heat Pro-Lite Blow Dryer and it's pink, which is one of my favorite colors, which is so cute. So I'm going to be using this blow dryer to quickly blow dry my hair.
Okay, so I'm blow drying my hair side to side to get volume at the root area. And then I am just rough drying it about 90% until I get it mostly dry. Then I go in and smooth it out. I take the top section out of the way and smooth out the sides first. And then the back section I split in half and start with the bottom section. Then after I'm done with the bottom section, I go on to the top section and smooth that out. And then once I'm done with the top section, I am going to part my hair how I want it to lay. So it's going to be the middle and then I just smooth it down. And then the very front pieces, I like to blow dry forward and then I like to blow dry into place.
Okay, so I smoothed out my hair and now I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair with the flat iron. I'm going to use Eva NYC Silk Styling Iron. And this iron I love because it has beveled edges, which allow you to create curl. You can straighten it, you can curl it, you can create different type of curls with the flat iron actually. Honestly, there's so many different variations that you guys can do with the flat iron that I would like to show you as well, which I can probably show you in a different video. Flat iron curls are difficult, but once you get the rhythm of it, it becomes easier and easier. So don't get frustrated if you guys can't get it the first time. It's something that takes practice and you guys just need to keep doing it and you'll get better and better each time. With that being said, I'm going to try to explain the best way I can how to curl your hair with this flat iron. So the right and left side, it's a little different curling each side. So I'm going to explain each side. I'm going to explain it without having the hot tool on. This is my left side. So for the left side, I'm going to use the logo as reference. So just to make it easier, if you guys have a front or a back, maybe you guys can follow along that way. But I'm going to use the logo as reference. And to start off with, you don't want to grip it with your palm. You don't want a death grip on it. You want to use your fingers like this. So it makes it easier to be able to twist it and turn it. And if you have it like this, you're going to struggle a lot more. You see how the logo is facing front? So it's facing the camera. It's facing frontward. So I'm going to start like this and you want to go down. So you want to twist the flat iron down and let's say towards the ear. Start with the strand with this facing forward. You're going to twist down and I am repositioning my hand. So I am using my tips of the fingers to help me reposition the flat iron while twisting. Don't feel like your hands need to stay in one place. You can reposition so you could get a better, a better angle with the flat iron. So I'm starting here. Now I'm gonna get this hand to kind of help me guide it through. This hair is gonna go underneath. You can pull it over. And then once you get to where the logo is back in the front, you can start dragging down. So it's gonna be about like one full turn. And then at the end, I like to twist it outward to kind of just have it set in that form. So again, I'm gonna use this as reference. It's facing forward. Start at the top. I'm gonna twist it. While it's twisting, the hair is gonna go underneath, so you could just grab it and pull it over. Keep repositioning my hands. Hold on. Keep repositioning my hands if I need to. And now I finally got it to where it's done a full circle. Now I can go ahead and drag it down. For me, I like to just start with a twist and then drag down. So the faster you go down, the looser the curl is gonna be. The slower you go down, the tighter the curl is gonna be. So if you're not getting any curl, maybe go a little slower. So for this side, this one I was kind of turning down. This one I am turning up. This one I'm kind of coming in from away from the face and then having it. This side I'm going to twist away from the face, but it's kind of like going upward. So you get it here. I'm gonna have the logo facing you guys for reference. I'm gonna use this hand to help me twist the iron. So right now it's gonna be going, I'm using this hand to guide me over the flat iron and then back. Now it's underneath. So once the hair is underneath and once the logo is back forward, you can go ahead and start dragging down. So it's gonna be like this. You can start dragging down. I'm twisting away from the face or upward, whichever one you guys understand better. So the hair is gonna go over. Now I'm repositioning my hands, so I'm getting comfortable. Now it's back to the forward and the hair is now underneath. So now I'm gonna start dragging. And go kind of slow, because if you go slower, you're gonna get the curl. If you go fast, you're not gonna get any curl. I think the twisting part is the hardest part, this part, before you actually start dragging. So keep practicing that part before you actually go in and turn it on and actually start doing it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get onto the tutorial and show you guys how I curl my hair.
Okay, so I'm starting at the top, and for my left side, I'm turning the flat iron downwards and twisting it one full turn. And once it does the full turn, I drag it down. And then once I'm done dragging it, I twist it into place. I see it's a little tight at the bottom, so I'm just quickly gonna go over it with a flat iron so it's not as tight. If you guys ever feel anything's too tight, you can always do that. And just know that this is fast forward, so I'm not actually going this fast. I'm going a little slower, so make sure to go slower, not go so fast, so you can actually get a curl. Again, I'm starting at the top, doing one full turn before I start dragging. Now I start dragging down, and then once I drag, I twist it into place. For my right side, now I am flipping the iron up instead of down, so it could go away from the face right here. I'm flipping it up, and then I start dragging down. And if hairs start to fall out, it's okay, just keep going. If you need to recurl, you can go ahead and do that afterwards. So left side, again, same thing. And now it was too tight, so I just loosened up a little bit. So I like to get the hair on the other side with my hand, and then I start dragging. And then as you guys can see, same thing over here. Drag slowly down the strand. I like to hold the leftover hair with my other hand so I can have more control. On my right side, I am gonna do the same thing, but I'm flipping upward, and I'm making sure I'm doing one full turn before I start dragging down. And then as I start getting towards the top, I take smaller sections. I don't take as big a sections, so I can get more of a piecier look. And then also I have layers towards the top, so I do want to go a little faster so it's not as curly, just because I do have shorter pieces at the top. So I'm dragging down, twisting with my hand, and then I split it where I wanted to lay. And for my left side, I am twisting it downwards, just like that, putting the hair over, having one full turn, and now dragging all the way down. And then as I get towards the bang area, I do want to go a little faster just because it gets super curly. So I kind of just do a quick twist and drag. And it's kind of like a half twist for the bangs. I actually feel like I don't do the full twist because then it will be too curly. So I kind of just do like a half twist and drag while I'm twisting for the bangs. Now I'm gonna comb it out. You guys can leave it however you guys want, but I like mine to be more voluminous and bigger, so I like to brush it out a little bit. And then I like to go over any pieces that I feel like need to be recurled or need to be flattened down a little bit. So right here, it was a little too curly, so I'm just going over with the flat iron a little bit. Now I'm using Eva NYC City Grit Matte Texture Spray, which I love because it gives an effortless tousled texture look. And it's just going to create a little bit of grit on the hair and just leave looking nice and effortless. And here, just re-going over any curls that need to be touched up. Using these no crease clips to mold the hair how I want it to lay. And now I am going to go in with the Eva NYC Shapeshifter Texture Hairspray, which is a hairspray to give it hold and it adds body to the hair as well. It also isn't sticky, which is something that I really love about this hairspray. I'm flipping it over, my hair over to get more volume, adding more hairspray and flipping back up. So as you can see, now I have body, volume, and it just looks really nice and voluminous. And then I'm going to show you another option. You guys can brush it out if you guys feel like it's too voluminous. You guys can make it a little flatter by brushing it out, which I'm going to show you right now. And this just creates more of a softer look, more laid back and relaxed. So here's another option for you guys. Just keep brushing it out if you guys want that look to be a little less voluminous.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Anything else that you guys want to see, let me know. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.